Welcome to Stingray's channel. What we have here is a old school black cat. Solid state. It's not a tube, it's solid state. And I'm thinking the transistor is blown. I gotta take it out of circuit and test it. Yeah, I can't wait to get this bad boy going. I've never seen one. It was given to me by a friend, Dread11. So we're gonna try it out here. We're gonna take this out a circuit. We're gonna test it, and if it is bad, we're gonna put another one in its place. And hopefully we can tune these coils and stuff, input tuners, to get it matched with the circuit board. Wish me luck. We will return, and I hope the meter is swinging to the right corner. Bump, bump, bump. I'll show you average here. I have it turned off right now. Hello. 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 Alright, now I'll show you the PEP. Hello. Yada. Okay, that's 30 watts. I'll show you average with this turned on. Hello. Hello. One. Hello. Getting 50 watts average. Here's the peak. Hello. Hello. Nice little driver. Nice little driver right here. Oh yeah, nice little driver. We got it going on. We got it going on. 408 right there. Just got down. I gotta change out this resistor right here. I'm gonna do a little experimenting right here on this circuit right here. But yep, she's working. She's got some nice good trimmers in here. I could probably take these off the circuit and check out what the value is and put some caps in its place, capacitors. But they seem to be doing all right. I mean, this is a weak transistor to start with. I think it was a 7 or 11 on the gain. So yeah, a friend of mine, Dread11, gave me that. I brought it back to life. This is what come out of it. And this cap was blowed. Got the whole end blowed out of it. This black cap goes right there with that blue one I put in. Yeah. Nice little driver it is. It goes in my collection. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Got more to come. If you like, please subscribe. 408 on Stingray's Technology. Just got down. Bump.